How to create a database schema in Lovable. Now, in order to do this, you first need to head over to lovable.dev, and then from in there, just scroll down and locate in here the workspace that you want to create a database schema. For example, on my case, let me head over and choose this pinky allure option. Now, once you have done that, this should be able to show us our preview. Now, in this, we just need to connect our Lovable with Supabase. So click on this Supabase icon, then click on this Connect Supabase, and then after that, just click on this Connect a project, choose in here your organization, then create a project option right here. Now this will open in here a new tab for your Supabase. Just wait for this to load, and then after that, you can head over and then create a new project to this part. Now once you have done that, you should be able to see in here the actual project. And then in here, you can see in here and you can define schema with your Lovable AI using the chat options. And you can describe tables you need. Like for example, some things just like this one, you can get those schemas from the Lovable AI and find them right here on your Supabase. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.